Yo, my name is Josh. I'm the founder and owner of Nexz Inc. And today I'm going to teach you how to launch a WordPress website on Google Cloud super fast. But first, I need you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure I get those likes so I can keep giving y'all this great material that you're about to see right now. So first thing I'm going to do is you need a Google Cloud account. I'm going to assume you have Google Cloud if you're watching this video. If you don't even know what Google Cloud is, Google Cloud is a cloud platform that supports a lot of companies right now. Right now, everybody's switching to cloud. It's a big deal. Being able to move data fast and actually just get a lot of different things that cloud provides, which we're not going to get into in this video, but we'll get into that as you guys keep watching. So make sure you subscribe so you see them videos when they come out. First of all, who uses Google Cloud, right? PayPal, AT&T, Twitter, Target, Toyota, and Shopify, and so many more. Now, you would think that maybe other website building platforms don't use it. That's not true. So when we actually go here and look at CDN, who uses this? Wix uses Google Cloud CDN to serve tens of millions of requests per day seamlessly. So Google Cloud Platform is a platform that's used very often. We're going to start by going here to your Google Cloud dashboard, and we're going to go to Marketplace. Once you get to the Marketplace, we're going to type in WordPress Bitnami. Search that. We're looking for right here, WordPress package by Bitnami. It's a pretty simple installation. This is going to bring us to launching it, and we're going to put in all of the details that we need for our server, etc. Most of this is going to be done for you. Google Cloud makes it very easy. Now, as you can see, they have an estimated monthly total of what it's going to cost. Right now, we're at $14.90 per month. What are we getting? So we're going to name this real quick. We're going to call this Next Test for the sake of this video. What is a zone? I've actually seen this question a lot, and people want to know, what are these zones for? So when you see US West, US Central, US East, it's kind of what it's saying. So I'll take you to this page real quick. Cloud locations are zones. These are zones. For example, US West 1, Oregon, US West 2, Los Angeles, Salt Lake City. So I'm in Los Angeles, so we're going to find US West 2. And we're going to serve the website from the closest place by me. So there's US West 1. Let's see. US West 2. Boom. There we go. Now we're going to keep this at a general first generation server just to keep the price down. If you do change these, sometimes it can change the price. Obviously, you get a bigger machine, it's going to cost more. For example, boom, now we see it's $29.63. If we get an even bigger machine, the price goes up. So you pay for what you use. So we're going to do the G1 small, 1 vCPU, 1.7 gigabyte of memory. Something real small just to get this done. And we're going to change the boot disk to SSD, a solid state drive. We're going to leave everything as is from here on. So what is this doing? This is going to take all of this software right here and install it using a prepackaged instance. So it's going to do all of this work of setting up your server, your computer, your website for you. It's going to install WordPress for you. Once we press deploy, let the 60 seconds begin. Boom. Once it does that, it's going to take you to this page, and you're going to see what it's packaging, unpackaging for the most part, and actually deploying on your behalf. Your WordPress information is going to pop up, and there it is. It's going to pop up right here. So we can see that the site address is still pending. It's probably been all of 15 seconds right now. It's preparing a lot of the software. It's going to give you a site address, which is going to be a IP address to start, because it's a brand new site and we haven't done DNS. We haven't connected a domain yet. So it's going to give you an IP address. It's going to give you the direct address, and then it's going to give you the IP address with /wp-admin, and there it is. So it does take a little bit of time for these to populate. So once you actually launch your Google Cloud Marketplace Bitnami package, make sure you give it a little bit of time to populate, which, It can take 30 seconds. If you don't, sometimes it's not there, just like this. And sometimes the site has not finished setting up. So you just want to give it a little bit of time. Doesn't mean it's broke. Everything is done correctly. While we wait for that, we're going to go ahead and our username is going to be user, and here's the password to sign into the WordPress site. At this point, WordPress is already set up. It's already installed. All we have to do is go to the site and sign in. So let's go ahead and click on this again to see if it's set up. Seems like it is not. There it is. Merry Christmas. So now that we have our site, we can safely assume that we can sign in. So you could either type wp-admin up here, get to the same space, or you can come back here and click the link. Still going to take you to the same place. So again, your password's right there. All you have to do is copy it, user, paste that password. That's going to take us to the back end of wp-admin. There we go. We got our WordPress site and we're done. That's exactly how you install a WordPress site using Google Cloud Platform. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Keep watching. We're going to have more coming soon. Yeah.